This is lesson 3, writing a quadratic. So writing a quadratic equation, and there's also an Alex. There's a lot of Alex in this chapter, like I said, saving a lot of paper. Okay, so now we're going to go backwards with this writing quadratic equations given roots. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides. So now I get x minus 2 equals 0. Remember how we had that before? This x minus 2 is one of our factors. I can do the same thing with minus 12. I'll add 12 to both sides. So I get x plus 12 equals 0. And that's where my other factor came from. So if I give you the roots 2 and negative 12, I can write a polynomial like this. Then I can multiply it out. So x times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is negative 2x. X times 12 is 12x. And 12 times negative 2 is negative 24. So my standard form, y equals x squared, and then minus 2x plus 12x is plus 10x minus 24. So there it is in standard form. This would be our factored form. This is our standard form. So if roots, zeros, solutions, x-intercepts, all meaning the same thing, are p and q, then we can write a quadratic equation in the form x minus p, x minus q. You see how it's opposite because of that solving? So here's another one. If we write a quadratic equation given the only root is negative 5, well, it's a quadratic equation, so we know it's y equals, and we can say x plus 5 is 1, right? Remember, it's the opposite sign. We could say x minus negative 5, and then that double minus would turn into plus. The other thing is, this is a linear equation the way it's written. So the only root is negative 5, meaning this root happens twice. It's squared. X plus 5 squared, meaning y equals x plus 5, x plus 5, but we need to put it in standard form. So we get x squared, 5x, 5x, 25. So my quadratic equation in standard form is x squared plus 10x, right? 5x and 5x, plus 25.